Crypto has a ton of blockchains: Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, Cardano, Cosmos, Sui. But what exactly is a Layer 1? A Layer 1 is the base blockchain. It runs its own network, processes transactions, and stores data. All major crypto ecosystems start here. Bitcoin is a Layer 1, so are Ethereum, Solana, and more. There are two main types: EVM compatible and non-EVM. EVM compatible means it works like Ethereum. It uses the Ethereum virtual machine. Wallets start with 0x. Same dev tools, same smart contracts. Popular EVM Layer 1s: Ethereum, BNB Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, Phantom, Celo. Non-EVM chains use different code. They don't follow Ethereum's system. No 0x wallets. No Ethereum compatibility. Examples: Rust with Solana, Haskell with Cardano, Move with Sui Aptos. Layer 1s are the foundation. Every app, token, and NFT builds on top of them. So next time you hear Layer 1, think crypto's ground floor. What is your favorite Layer 1? Comment below.